Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2010 Ford E-350, and as you can tell by the paint job, this is a former ambulance. And the reason we bought this big old rig is I used to own a hauling company, hot shot company. What we were going to do is turn this into a hauler, put a little cab on the back of it, put a hitch on it, and of course these things will pull a ton. But I ended up selling the hauling company, just doing my dealership now. We've had this sitting around for a little bit, so got it all painted up, ready to go. We've painted the frame all black to not only make it look nice, but of course to protect it. All the tires are pretty bald. They got the old studs in them. I didn't want to go put new tires on here, you know, in case someone wanted to buy it, and you know, I put some lighter ply tires on it. Someone wanted heavy, or I put heavy on it. Someone wasn't going to pull that much with it, so that's something we can help you get good price on tires. You know, I own a dealership. We get real good prices on tires. So let me know if you want to do something like that. Put 2 brand new batteries in it. And it's not a show truck by any means, but I mean the paint still looks nice. The body looks nice. It's not all rusted out. The interior is clean. We have a stack of receipts we did to it. We didn't do a whole lot to this thing. It was a former government vehicle, obviously being an ambulance. They took pretty good care of it. I mean, it's, you know, I'm assuming mostly highway miles. Interior is real clean. It's got a little tear over there on the corner. Little tear there in the driver's seat. I'll show you the VIN number there. We always show the VIN number so you know that we're selling the vehicle that we're advertising. It's got 1 set of keys with it. And reason we bought this, had real low miles. Currently at 83,773. So you can see it fires right up. Heat and air work fine. No check engine lights, no dummy lights, nothing like that. The engine sounds just like it should, idles smoothly. Pretty clean underneath. No signs of any leaks or anything like that. Pretty clean old truck. Let me get out on the highway so you can hear it run. Alright, the last portion of the video, I'm going to get it out on the highway. Power windows work, power mirrors work. Well, it doesn't have power mirrors anymore. It's got the big old wide tow mirrors, radio works, heat and air work. So I'm going to get it out here. Get it up to about 50 miles an hour. Up to 50. Usually I take these out on the highway, you know, get them up to 70 miles an hour. But due to the fact that I'm kind of missing my rear cab here, I'm going to go ahead and just, you see it goes through all, engine strong. Of course it shifts through all the gears, no problem. You know, if this were a truck with this drivetrain in it, it'd be $25,000 with, you know, with this miles on it. So of course, it's an ambulance. You can build it however you want to, put a cab on it. If you want us to do something else to it, if you want us to put the back of the cab on it, if you want us to add a sleeper, if you want us to put a flatbed on it. I've got a guy, one of my mechanics, that does that kind of stuff all the time. He's worked at a diesel shop. So if you want this customized on your dime, talk to me, let us know. If you want to buy it as is and do it all yourself, hey, amen to that. So my name's Jeremiah. Give me a call if you ever want to come check out one of our vehicles. 316-262-8267. Check out our current inventory at mobility316.com. Of course, we normally do mobility vans, but I've got this final piece of our diesel trucks left around. Give me a call if you have any questions or if I can help you in any way. Thank you for checking out our ambulance. Have a good day.